So we are out doing some apartment shopping here in Atlanta. So let's look at some apartments. So come along with me as I find a place to live.
And you know I'm here too.
Of course. So come on, let's go.
So this is our club room. It is newly renovated. Available. We will be installing some glass doors. They are set to arrive in about 2 weeks.
Okay.
We have a pool table. Well. Okay.
Say that last part again for me, please.
So residents are given 10 free cups per month for coffee. Just bring your own mug down. 5 feet.
Okay, so the pool is in 20 all year round?
No.
Okay.
Well, it's 10 p.m. when it's open.
Okay, so that's cool.
Fitness center. Get some yoga mats.
This is nice. I like this.
Unit 1206. This one is currently on the market. I know you're looking for an immediate move-in, so this one is available.
Okay. This room is kind of weird. I mean, at least you wouldn't.
This exact unit is available as well. It's currently on the market for an immediate move-in. So the furniture in here will be removed. It's just to show how to use the space, I guess.
Okay.
Thank you. This is our A3, 736 square feet. So it's slightly smaller than the other.
This cabinet a little bit.
Okay. So this is our renovated unit. It has a new cabinet and then a new appliance package as well.
Where's the washer?
I wouldn't want to do this close to the ground.
I think I like the other one better. Because the washing machine is in the
Somebody went to talk.
yeah. Okay, so place number 1, what's you rated, Zanaya?
A 6.
Jazz.
I think a 6 is decent, but for personal reasons, I'm gonna drop it to a 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5 too because that hallway was too damn
The
cold.
only reason why they got a 6 is because they had 24/7 on their
Oh yeah, they 24/7, but the people were not nice. This is still works. The people were not personable. And I didn't like that 10 cups of coffee a month. That was weird.
Yeah. I
Like-
mean, how do you count how many cups of coffee I'm getting?
Every time you scan that QR
Yeah,
code to keep track.
yeah. And that's kind of weird. I never lived in a place where they counted as much coffee as you
Everywhere
drink.
else is like, oh, that's free coffee.
Yeah, like so. I don't know. I give it you gave it a 6. You gave it a 5. I give it a 4.
Damn.
All right. So on to the next. Okay, so we at the second place. So come on, let's go.
That was actually a very decent question.
Are y'all from that area? You just hit it at the door and it'll unlock it for you. That's how you get into any of the spaces here.
Okay.
And this is our clubhouse. We do have a pool table here as well.
They got a typewriter.
It's kind of like the stage.
She got bougie mama. She bougie.
This is our gym area here. This area is open 24/7.
Okay.
So you definitely able to utilize this entire space here.
Okay.
Control, like whatever is cold outside, it'll be hot, and if it's hot outside, it'll be cold. So
Yeah, I like the enclosed court,
yeah.
enclosed hallways.
Yes. This unit is $13.99 plus 2 months free. Let me see. Sorry.
Okay, so we just left 2 places, but my phone died. But let's rate the local, the second place we went to.
A 6. I didn't like when I first walked in the way he greeted us. I didn't like it. That was like my first impression was not good. So no, that's why I was at 6.
I think for me, the price point for what was available, I didn't like the theme of the common areas. I didn't like, and then that shower in the unit, like your cheapest unit was cheap because y'all got this little busted shower in there.
So what do you rate it?
Child, I wasn't looking forward to even going to that one. So, but I'm not gonna say it wasn't as bad as what I thought from the pictures. Y'all need to update your website. But I still give it like a 5.
And once again, I'm gonna give it a 4 because that shower was whack as fuck.
It was. I was.
Okay, so I posted another video about the one we just seen, which was the Grace.
The Grace Residences. Now that motherfucker.
Like it.
Yeah, we about to move in right now.
Yeah, the last one we just looked at, like as soon as you walk in, that view,
Beautiful.
absolutely gorgeous. The way that they set up, like the cabinet colors, it mixes very well. Like the aesthetic of it all is beautiful. I just don't want carpet at all, and there's carpet in the room, so that kind of knocks down the score just a little bit for me. But I mean, I would be able to do for that view, or I'd take
For that
carpet.
view, y'all could put carpet on the
I'd take some
ceiling,
carpet,
baby.
So mine would be, I would say, an 8, because that carpet really did knock it down. So for real.
An 8 is so disrespectful because that motherfucker right there. Even if I walked in and all I saw was the view, baby, we're moving in. I'm looking at the top of everything, the top of the trees. That's I'm damn near at
She on the top of the
gate. Yes,
Okay.
it was beautiful.
So what you rated, Jazz?
It gave. I'm moving in. It gave for that, and the rent is crazy, but it gave.
It gave
it's
10 the way you
it
talking.
gave- bitch, I gave. I'm over here like loading dock for you to move in your stuff.
Literally,
Oh,
though,
and best part,
facts.
security. Not you need a key fob to get on the elevator. Ain't no
Yeah.
unknown.
Okay, so I
popping
changed
up.
it to a 9. A 9. You made me remember the security is crazy. Fuck the carpet. I like the security.
Nah, see, I like that. I can still put a rug on the top of the carpet. I ain't worried about no carpet. Cause motherfucker.
So what you give it, Jazz?
Girl, it give. I'm about to apply.
Okay.
It got me. It got me.
Okay.
Like the moment you.
Well,
walk
we
in,
still
you
got some tomorrow. Which one is apply? Omar.
None of them. None of the other ones made me feel like the moment I walk in there, I want this to be my bitch.
That was
Okay,
was the
so
one
y'all
I
didn't mention the
definitely walked
counters.
in.
The counters with the sparkles.
Oh yeah, those cute little. Cause I'm not too extra of a girly, but that was cute. That was adorable.
I'm too extra of a girly. That was cute, okay? That was adorable. I
yes.
absolutely loved it.
I did like that too. So I'm gonna give it. Okay, only thing that would made it even better was
24 hours.
the trick not asking to get
Oh
upstairs.
my God. It ain't chicken if you got it.
And if they had concierge.
Yeah.
And also if the rooftop was open 24 hours.
Now that rooftop,
That would have made it an 11. But that view, y'all see okay, so I'm going to post another video right after this post so y'all can actually see the apartment and the view. And I'll have it on my YouTube. Actually, I'm going to attach it to this video at the end for my YouTube. So if you're on my YouTube channel, as soon as this ends, you'll get to see it. But I think we had a good day.
We had an amazing day. It ended very well.
It was better than 23 because I like 23. 23 is no longer available, so we'll see tomorrow.
Oh well, because we found our new spot.
And we on the balcony every day.
Somebody gonna have to move in this motherfucker. Okay?
Please, somebody.
Somebody gonna have to come and be here. Yes.
All right, we out. Peace.